Understanding fibromyalgia and yoga.
Fibromyalgia is a chronic condition marked by widespread pain, fatigue, and stiffness. Gentle yoga is often recommended as part of a holistic approach to symptom management. These calming poses can help ease muscle tension, improve flexibility, and promote relaxation. Whether you're new to yoga or revisiting gentle movement, certain stretches are especially helpful for those living with fibromyalgia.
Child's pose. Rest and rejuvenate.
Child's pose is a restful yoga posture that gently stretches the back, hips, and shoulders while providing a sense of comfort. Kneel on the mat, sit back toward your heels, and extend your arms forward or alongside your body as you lower your forehead to the floor. Focus on steady breathing to relax tense muscles and soothe the nervous system.
Cat-cow stretch. Easing spinal stiffness.
A cat-cow stretch combines two gentle movements to loosen and warm up the spine. Begin on your hands and knees, alternate arching your back up like a cat, and then dipping it down like a cow. This rhythmic flow can help reduce stiffness in the back and neck, enhance mobility, and encourage deeper breathing. A great way to start your practice.
Supported reclining bound angle pose.
For deep relaxation, supported reclining bound angle pose is ideal. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees gently fall apart. Use pillows or props under your knees for comfort. This pose softly opens the hips and chest, reducing muscle tension and supporting stress relief in a safe, supported way.
Seated forward bend. Gentle stretch for legs and back.
In seated forward bend, sit with your legs extended and gently hinge forward from your hips, reaching toward your feet without straining. Keep a soft bend in your knees if needed. This stretch targets the hamstrings and lower back, helping to release tightness. Always move within your comfort zone, focusing on relaxation rather than depth.
Tips for practicing yoga safely with fibromyalgia.
Listen to your body and avoid any pose that causes pain. Move slowly, use props for support, and prioritize gentle movement over intensity. Consistent, mindful practice, guided by your comfort level, can gradually aid in managing symptoms. Consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new routine, and consider working with a yoga instructor familiar with fibromyalgia.